Hey guys, Sean here, and today I'm going to show you how to open a combination lock when you don't know the combination. Okay, so here I have a master combination lock that I do not know the combination to. You can see this thing is locked. I have no idea what it is. What you're going to need is any kind of soft drink can. Now I've already taken one and cut the top and the bottom off, kind of made it a square. From here, you're going to cut a strip that's about 1.5 inches, 2 inches wide. So then you're left with this. Then you're going to make an M, or like a V shape, but it ends up making an M. Kind of like that there. I didn't cut all the way, I just cut up halfway. I'm going to take this, fold this in half, crease it over, and then fold it in half once again until it comes up to the bottom of that cut. And then you simply fold these sides down. Just like that. Until you're left with what looks like a little hat, a sombrero, or a pilgrim hat. Alright, so this lock here, for the master locks, it's a hinge over here, and this is the side, the left side is the part that opens up. So what you do is stick that through there like that. And you're going to want to, before you do that, sorry, you've got to kind of curve this a little bit, because you're making this shim, this piece is going to go down in there. Alright, so I've kind of got it curved. Put it in there. Now I'm going to pull up on the lock. If this lock was attached to something like a locker, it would be easier to pull it and hold it, but I've got to kind of hold it with my fingers. So I'm putting the shim down in there while the lock is being held up, and I'm going to put it down in there as far as I can. Kind of twist it, wiggle it. Now I'm going to hold the shim in place, push down on this lock, and when I raise the lock, I'm going to still hold the shim, and there we go. I have just opened this lock using only a piece of aluminum foil. This is kind of a one-time use because this will ruin the shim. If you can see there, it's kind of bent up. But it's possible to cut that little tip off. And I can try this again. So this is locked. That is locked. So I will try this again. So once again, you put this through here. Pull up on the lock. Shimmy the shim. Do a little shimmy action. Shimmy it down in there. Push down on the lock. Voila. Thanks for watching.